In my last two videos, I talked about two big meme stocks, AMC and GameStop. Both of these names I talked about were different areas of support resistance and different trend lines that I was following to see if a breakout pattern was going to happen. And in the video, I said there was a very good chance that there would be a breakout happening. AMC above $50, and AMC is finally above $50 today, and GameStop getting close to and above that $200 area. And look at that, today we did drop down in the morning, but finished the day higher at $202. Both of these stocks are looking still bullish in my opinion. GameStop up 6.8% today, and AMC was up little over 3%. So both of these names are trading higher. AMC especially is looking bullish right now above this $50 area. GameStop, I want to see continue to break through 200, but then next area is 225. But let's talk about today's video, and today we're going to be talking about the one and only Tesla, okay? Tesla we have to talk about because it's been so volatile, but looking very, very bullish heading into this week. Tesla actually finished up the day almost up a whole percent after dropping this morning all the way down to the $708 mark and then recovering by the end of the day back up to $743. This thing was completely tanking this morning, dropping 30-40 points in less than an hour of time, and then quickly recovered back to the upside. Now, Tesla itself, as we pull back here on the 180-day chart, we can see is looking very bullish if we can hold above this simple moving average line right here. And we bounced near that area this morning around that $700 area and quickly bounced upward. But what I'm looking at is very, very important is the $760 area. This was tested multiple times last week before we got rejected on Friday. So I want to see this stock really get above that $760 area and then break through and hold above it. Now, another area of support we could say would be in here around this 720 area, which is an area of support right now, but it was resistance. As you can see, it tested multiple times through here and got rejected down. And then when we finally broke through, it surged to the upside. So this is another area right here. I know there's a lot of lines, but 720 seems to be a good support area. So let's say that we hold this 720 support and we can break through this 760 resistance. I see this trading higher back into the 800s. Yes, I know that's crazy to say, especially after the bullish run it's had over the past couple months, where this stock just a few months ago was trading back below $600, and now here we are today back into the mid $700 range. So Tesla right now is looking very, very bullish in my opinion. And like I said, with GameStop and AMC, if the memes keep on coming, there's a lot of Wall Street bet traders still out there short squeezing all their names and getting in on the AMC and GameStop hype, then other names that are talked about a lot like Tesla will also join in. Tesla isn't one that's a short squeeze name per se, but it is definitely a trending stock on a lot of Wall Street and Reddit pages, and because of that, I want to keep my eye on Tesla moving in above that 760 area. Now, if you're not already in a Tesla position, I would definitely wait this one out in the long term, okay? Obviously, it's always good to get a good position and a good entry on it, so I'm going to wait for a bit of a pullback if I were to enter into this position for the first time. But if you're looking to trade this thing, really, let's see if we can get a good entry. If you picked up some shares this morning with this big drop, voila, good, hats off to you. But I want to see a little bit of a pullback if you're going to go long term, and in the short term, I want to see us hold this $720 area. I don't care if the next few days we hover near this area and then quickly bounce up to the upside, but as long as we can hold at least $720, $700, where we seem to have held for a while throughout August and even into early September before breaking out, we can say that $720 is a good area of support, and that resistance at $760 is a good area of resistance. So that's what I'm looking at for Tesla. I want to see this continue to trade higher. Today was very, very volatile. Like I said, it dropped all the way down to almost that $700 area, but quickly recovered and jumped up the upside. That's how Tesla plays. That's how it works. So it was very volatile. So in the short term, let's watch for a good trade off list. Let's start looking at some options going long, some good call options with Tesla, especially if we can get going and move through that 760 area, and I think we can get easily back up to 800 plus within the next few weeks if we can continue this bull run. And with AMC and GameStop, quick little recap, like I said, they're both strong today. AMC, I think if we hold above 50, we're going to continue higher into the mid 50s over the next few days, and GameStop, one quick final look, up 6.8% today, a very, very bullish run today we had, and really the first resistance area that I'm looking at, and really the only one, is this 225 area. If we can break through 225, and get going with candlesticks like these and momentum like this and volume that we've seen over the past couple days and even just today, I think that we could see GameStop definitely back over that resistance area and continue this bull run. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so take this information as it is. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.